Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken empanadas. To begin, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then add in 1 pound of ground chicken. Go ahead and break up the meat and saute until the meat changes color. Then add in 1 medium-sized onion, diced. Saute for a couple of minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Then add in 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Saute the garlic for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Then add in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. A quarter of a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, followed by 1 cup of water. Continue cooking for another 4 to 5 minutes until all the water has been reduced. The chicken is now cooked. Now it's time to assemble the empanadas. Now you may taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. For the empanadas, we are using a bag of 10 empanada discs. This you can find at your local grocery store in the frozen Latino section. Before making the empanadas, be sure to leave the empanada disc on the counter for at least 1 hour or so they can get defrosted. Now to each disc, add in about 1.5 tablespoons of the ground chicken. Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of shredded cheddar cheese. Then fold it over to close the empanada. And to ensure that the empanada stays closed, with a fork, press around the edge just like so. Now, in a skillet over medium heat, add enough vegetable oil to fry them in. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until golden brown. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, chicken empanadas. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.